It won't be the first time we've been caught outside in a storm. I don't know, I think we should go back. Thunderstorm or no thunderstorm, we refuse to let the weather spoil our plans, because if we had, we would have never been able to see 3 waterfalls in one day or found ourselves on the most magnificent 2-for-1 waterfall hike in southern Oregon. We're Zach and Allie, and this is Nomadic Habits. I hear thunder. Should we have left Marlee in the van? For those of you who don't know, Marlee is absolutely petrified of thunderstorms, but she wants to be with us. We're not exactly sure if it's going to storm or if it's just going to pass over us, so apparently this waterfall hike is not that far away. We're going to give it a go. If it starts storming on us, we'll just sprint back. It won't be the first time we've been caught outside in a storm.
Allie's back there enjoying nature on her phone.
I'm on my phone because I'm trying to pull the radar up.
Oh, it's coming.
I don't know, I think we should go back.
Maybe we can find a cave over there.
Oh, look how pretty!
Wow.
So this is the first waterfall of the day, and it's called Hearsany Falls. Am I saying that right? Hearsany Falls. And it was only a very short hike down here to get to the waterfall. But I'm hearing thunder right now, and it's starting to rain really hard. So I think it's about time we head back to the van and wait this out. This is absolutely stunning. If it wasn't storming and Marlee wasn't having a panic attack, then I don't think I'd be going back so soon. So while we were down at the waterfall, it must have downpoured because there's like massive puddles all over the place, and I know I was getting really wet. We actually ended up putting the GoPro with its mod like in a Ziploc bag to keep it from getting ruined. Yeah, but you couldn't really tell down there that it was pouring.
Not underneath the trees.
Not under the trees. So as I was saying earlier, Marlee's petrified of storms, and this hiking trail is very short, so we were able to walk back and allow her to get in her bed to hang out. So Marlee's gonna hang out here, and we're actually gonna hike back down to the trail. I know there's a lot of other things to explore. I just didn't want Marlee to like have a mini panic attack, so. This tree is huge! Frame of reference.
It would take like 5 people to wrap your arms around that tree. Good girl. Good girl. Hey. Come on, let's go.
Well, second time's a charm, and I don't hear any more thunder, so.
Look at the falls coming into the waterfall. It's really pretty.
So beautiful. I can't let them go without me, so let's just pray I don't slip and fall. Whoa! You ever wonder what it's like to go on a hike with Zach and I? We typically don't stay on path. Dog is hovering over the waterfall, and the sun is like starting to shine through the clouds and the trees now. It is like creating this beautiful, like ominous look over the waterfall, and we are the only ones here right now.
waterfall was really cool. But now that the storm is over and the rain has passed by and the sun's come back out, I think that we're gonna go find a couple more waterfalls.
That was a lot of fun.
Yeah. Gonna go check them out?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
So the waterfall hike that we're about to do is to the Mill Creek waterfall, but I've also heard it called the Bar Creek Falls, so I'm not sure exactly which one it is. It is Memorial Day weekend too, so I'm expecting there's going to be quite a few people on the trail, but we'll see. Looks like the trail.
I'm really not good at coming down.
I think that's the trail.
So Zach and I have had the opportunity to spend Memorial Day weekend in a lot of beautiful places. One year we were on the beaches in Louisiana. Another year we've spent time in Sedona, Arizona. And this year we're hiking through Oregon. So feeling really blessed and grateful for our freedom to be able to kind of do whatever we want to do, really, within our means. Granted, we are here for work, but we're very lucky that Zach has the day off and we're able to explore a little bit through the weekend.
Yeah. So far this trail has pretty much just paralleled the road, so we definitely could have parked a little bit closer.
The actual trailhead is like packed. There's so many people parked over there that I just didn't feel like fighting for a parking spot. Everyone else seems to be taking that fork and going straight, and Zach and I have decided to not go straight. So we'll see where it leads us. It's so pretty.
Guys, this has been absolutely beautiful. There's two different waterfalls on this hike, and they're both within a few minutes of each other. But I think we're going to head back to the van. It's been a very easy hike too.